Hello again, ChoroQ collectors. I've been collecting ChoroQs for over 6 months now, and this one has been eluding me for quite a while. It just doesn't really come up as a single item very often, so I caved in and I bought a whole set of them. I'm just going to sell the other ones on eBay, I guess. But I'm going to sell them for a lot of money because I paid a lot of money for this, and eBay always has to take their 10-20% with sales tax and all that stuff. It's a scam. eBay is so expensive considering they don't actually touch any products, right? It's just all electronic. It's like banking. So anyways, so we got the Lotus Esprit in 5 colorways. So we're going to take a look at all these guys. Well, that was a nice box. I'm not sure what I would do with it. Maybe I'll keep it. I'm not sure. Nope. Sorry, that went in the trash. Alright, let's start with this red one here. And they all have this plastic packaging to keep it from getting scratched up, which is nice. And what's going on here? This is really tightly packed. Seems like there's also another layer of packaging here. Okay. And so it's sideways and lengthways. Alright, let's get this out of here. You know what, let me come back. I'll undo all of them first. Okay, well, let's go in this order here. So, we got this yellow one here. It's not a metallic yellow, just a normal yellow. And it's got wheels I don't think I've ever seen before. These are like 6-spoke wheels. But they are blanked off. I think most ChoroQ wheels are blanked off. Not all of them, but most. And they're chromed out. Alright, this tire's kind of... Ooh, that tire feels really hard. A lot of the old ChoroQs, the tires never harden, but this one is hardening, so that's too bad. Let's see, this is from 2003. Okay. And then this different construction than usual, with 2 screws on the sides and a tab here in the back, because the lights pop up. And there's also a chromed muffler here as a separate piece. Alright, and some sort of bump there. So, I'm not sure what that thing does. And then you can see a little bit of the motor back there. So these are all spring motor things, and you can put a coin back here to do a wheelie. So this little thing must make the lights pop up. Here we go. There we go. Well, they're painted silver on black. I guess that's not bad. It's a nice detent there, so you know it's engaged. But being a toy, I mean, look at this giant panel gap, so that's not very good. In fact, I think I just pushed it under. Let's see if that comes... Well, there we go. Alright, so I did fix it. So if you go too far, just you can get it back. Okay, well, this has a GB700 license plate. I'm not sure what the 700 represents. Alright, we got orange and red. That's weird. I mean, I can understand orange is a blinker, but you would never have a red reflector on the front of a vehicle, right? Or did that actually happen in Great Britain? I'm not sure. There's little vents here, and they actually have black paint in them, so that's nice. This is a very shiny yellow. You can see the smoked canopy here. Hopefully, I can see the gear through it. Alright. So it says Tooned Esprit. It's a tampo print. It's not a sticker or a decal. And then 2 fine black lines going across the bottom as well. There's some molding for the door handle and the fuel filler on both sides, probably. No, only on one side. I thought these things always had 2. Oh well. Not sure what this is. I think that might scrape off. Okay, so the back, we have good separation of the paint. White, red, orange, GB700 again. Some gray for the bumper, and then you can see that blanked off exhaust, and then the Lotus badge is tampo printed onto the coin holder. So that's the general look of all of them, I guess. Let's just blaze through the other ones. I'm not going to go over the details, it's just color differences. These wheels look like they're gold in the middle. I'm not sure if the camera's going to pick it up, but maybe if I hold these 2 next to each other, you can see a difference in the colors, maybe. Let me get a different angle down. No, well, I'm not sure if you I can't see it through my camera screen, but to the naked eye I can clearly see the center of this is gold. The rim is still kind of silver, and then these almost look like they're charcoal or like a dark chrome, but that's hard to tell for sure. Alright. Looks like it all the same printing, but no lotus Esprit printed on the side, just the black stripes. And then, yeah, these tires are quite hard as well. Alright. Same black and silver. Same red reflector on the front, which, again, it's kind of weird. Alright. Let's go with the silver one here. Looks the same again. Nothing on the sides at all. Just a blank silver side. Alright. And then everything else looks the same. Yeah, these bumpers are still gray, but barely visible on a silver body. Let's see. Are these wheels? Oh, they are different. These are chrome wheels. These are dark chrome wheels, and then that last one had gold centers. Interesting. Okay. Now this one. This is definitely a favorite. The John Player Special livery here. Turbo. Why wouldn't this be capitalized? But they would capitalize that and that. That's interesting. Alright. Same color scheme there. Now the panel gaps on this doesn't look as bad. Well, in normal instances, because it's black. So let's see. Yeah, it's still black, silver and black there as well. Alright. So again, non-capitalized T on the turbo, and then these wheels have that gold center again with the chrome lip, like that red car had. Alright, so it's the best one so far. And the last one, I think the most iconic one perhaps would be this. It's just, you know, white with red. So we're back to the Turbo Esprit printing, red stripes this time, and then unfortunately probably the worst panel gaps of them all being a white car. And that's about it, yeah. Alright, so let's leave that one up. Let's get these things spinning. And maybe you can see maybe from this distance actually you can see the wheel color differences. So this one has chrome, the silver has chrome, gold and gold centers, and then this is like a dark chrome. Maybe if I arrange them this way. So yeah, I think in this angle you can see there are 3 different colored wheels. Alright, let's get the Spin Master. I guess I should arrange them better. Alright, you pull out a few other cars from this era. So here's a ChoroQ Zero of a Lancia Stratos, kind of a road-going version. Here's a ChoroQ of a Lamborghini Miura Hota. Here's a Ford GT40, ChoroQ as well. Let's throw in a random brand. This is a Wanda Coffee. This is a freebie that came to someone. It's really good considering this was free to someone. You know, it really makes you question if something can be this detailed and comes with a can of coffee in Japan. Maybe Hot Wheels are overpriced, right? And then the last one is another ChoroQ of a Porsche 924 Turbo, and I have some 3 Hot Wheels Real Riders on this guy. Alright, I'm going to focus on the front. I think, yeah, we'll let these guys spin on their own. But we're just gonna pull my two favorites, the John Player Special and the white one. Alright. For cartoon characters, we have Edna, and then I don't know what the old guy's name is from the movie Up. Alright, well, you know, buying 5 identical castings is not really my desire, but this model or this toy has been eluding me for half a year now, and pleasantly I really like these two. I'm gonna keep these two. They're the most iconic for me. I'll put the others up on eBay, but again, they're gonna cost a lot of money, so don't be surprised at the price. But they might actually be the only ones available for sale, so if this eludes you, you know, you might want to buy it. If not, don't. You know, spend your money wisely. Collecting toys is not really a wise way to spend your money, but I'm not very wise, so get used to it. Okay, well, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next ChoroQ review. Hopefully it's not a box set, but I wouldn't rule it out. Alright, see ya guys. Bye.